name is Jose Fernandez, and today I'm going to talk about my summer internship in 2023. So, first of all, some things about me. I'm originally from Santiago, Chile. I'm an international student in construction engineering and management, currently cursing my sophomore year. My main interest in the construction industry are residential buildings and hydraulics. I also like a lot about energy infrastructure as well. It's something that I work during my internship, and I'll talk more about it in the next few slides. So I did my internship in Black and Beach at Chile. Black and Beach, for those who don't know, it's a global engineering company. It's headquartered in Kansas City, Missouri, and founded in 1915, so more than 100 years ago. It started as a small company founded by just two people, and then continued to expand. They currently have projects in the energy industry, mining, construction, and petroleum industry, mainly focusing on the infrastructure of these projects. And they also work in different engineering projects, consulting projects, and procurement for other projects. So the main projects that I worked with in Black and Beach were combustion turbines and mining projects. For the combustion turbines, I mainly worked on the proposal of a new project. So it was a project that served as energy backup for a Colorado County, for River Plate County in Colorado. It was basically the client wanted to decide what brand or type of turbines he wanted and how many of them he wanted. So I basically had to study the difference between the four different turbines. Three of them were from General Electric, and the other was three of them were combustion turbines from General Electric, and the other was a rise turbine, which is different than the combustion one. I had to create four different schedules as well for that, because for example, for some turbines, you just had to install two of them, and they will work the same as if you install 10 other turbines of the other type. So basically, I had to present four different schedules to the client with different cost and time associated with them. And the other project that I worked with was a mining project in Chile. Northern Chile has a lot of different mines of copper mainly. The biggest copper mine in the world, which is an open pit mine, it's called Escondida. It's currently managed by BHP. And basically, Black and Beach provided desalination in the mine. It's called rack desalination, which is what you see in the picture. It's basically desalination by osmosis. So yeah, I also had to study about that. I had to study about the process and how like all the machinery works. Basically, I had to every week report the advancement in the project, including cost and time associated, and report any incident or possible extra advance in the project as well. Well, throughout my internship, I was able to identify a lot of terms that I had during the 12 weeks that I was there. So first of all, I improved a lot my communication skills. I had to talk with clients, managers, supervisors, co-workers. So I had to learn how to talk differently in each situation, which is something that will be very helpful in my professional career. In terms of technical skills, I learned two different softwares, Primavera P6, which is used mainly for scheduling, and Ecosys, which reports basically the advancement in terms of money or man hours every week or every month. Well, as I already said, I learned about turbines and desalination plants. Another thing that I really enjoyed was how my supervisor once a week made a seminar just for me to teach me about different things of the construction area. I learned a lot of the different phases of a project, like how to start them, how to solve any possible inconvenience, how to end them, what happens if, I don't know, it gets delayed. So that was something that I really appreciate by the company. And finally, I learned how to do schedules, budgeting, and reports. There are also some things that I wish I learned during my internship. I wasn't really able to experience that, like on-field events. I worked mainly at the office with them because, well, the turbine project was in the US, I wasn't really able to go to the mines because just 2 or 3 people from the company were able to go. Basically, Black and Beach just provided the construction, but there was just 2 people in charge, and the rest was part from BHP, the owners of the company that manages the copper mine. I also wish I learned more about man-hour estimation. I was able to work with the concept of man-hour in terms of advancement every week, but I wasn't really able to estimate how many man-hours it will take to complete a project. Yeah, well, as I didn't go to the work site, I wasn't also able to learn about safety, but I had a great experience in my company. As you may see, this happened during the months that I was there. Basically, Black and Beach in Chile reached the milestone of 1 million hours without an accident. It was a recognition presented by the ACHS, which is the Association of Chilean Security for Work Companies. And basically, they presented like a small reunion for the coworkers and talked about safety things, about safety aspects of office and site. We learned how to have a great connection with the other coworkers, how to be respectful and understand our differences. Um, yeah, it was a great experience to learn more about that. And finally, I also want to talk about how I managed to really engage with my coworkers. So in Chile, it's very common for a company and their coworkers to organize small soccer games every week. So I was able to go like 3 or 4 of them. We always like gathered at one of the coworkers' house and played, I don't know, for like an hour and a half, and then finished with a barbecue. Yeah, that was a great experience that I hope you also can live that in your future company. So yeah, to summarize, my internship was amazing, including the things that I learned, the people that I met, and all the new like concept that I was introduced to. I think it will really help me with my professional career in the future. Yeah, it was a great experience. Thank you.